Ladies and gentlemen, today I'll be teaching you how to make Ddakji. And if you don't know what it is, well, it's these. To start, you're going to want to fold your pieces of paper vertical like this. Then you want to put them on a plus formation like this, and you want to start folding them in like a triangle. But for this last one, you're going to need to tuck it underneath. And there you have it. The first Ddakji has been made. But now we need to make another one. But you already know how to do that, so I'll give you a quick history lesson. Sometime in the 1300s, an unknown individual created two squares with an X formation on one side out of two pieces of paper. They found out if you place one square X side down and hit the other square with it, it can actually flip. It became really popular with the people. But after the war, people lost interest until 2021, where a certain show brought back life to Ddakji and made it very popular. And that was a quick history lesson on Ddakji. Now back to it. You may want to know how to play Ddakji. Well, I'm going to teach you how. First, I'm going to take one of the Ddakji, place it X side down, get your other Ddakji, have the X side down too, and this. Now, of course, I got it first try, as you all know. And there you have it. You now know how to make, play, and know a little bit more about Ddakji.